Theta value equivalent to 18.5977 rands a coin. The present cost range 18.3989 to 18.8327. The earlier day close 18.7547. The change was 0.1570, 0.84%. Reverse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not-so-distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 19.81 rands, high 21.20, low 18.42. Theta figure on Tuesday, April 25, cost 18.83 rands, high 20.15, low 17.51. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, April 26, cost 17.74 rands, high 18.98, low 16.50. Theta figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 15.85 rands, high 16.96, low 14.74. Theta cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 17.54 rands, high 18.77, low 16.31. And multi-week Theta figure on Monday, May 1, cost 17.33 rands, high 18.54, low 16.12. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, May 2, cost 17.03 rands, high 18.22, low 15.84. Theta figure on Wednesday, May 3, cost 17.11 rands, high 18.31, low 15.91. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 17.65 rands, high 18.89, low 16.41. Theta figure on Friday, May 5, cost 18.55 rands, high 19.85, low 17.25. In about 14 days Theta cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost 18.20 rands, high 19.47, low 16.93. Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 18.07 rands, high 19.33, low 16.81. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 18.81 rands, high 20.13, low 17.49. Theta gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 18.77 rands, high 20.08, low 17.46. Theta cost forecast on Friday, May 12, cost 18.82 rands, high 20.14, low 17.50. In 3 weeks Theta gauge on Monday, May 15, cost 18.42 rands, high 19.71, low 17.13. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost 17.92 rands, high 19.17, low 16.67. Theta gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost 17.85 rands, high 19.10, low 16.60. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, May 18, cost 18.53 rands, high 19.83, low 17.23. Theta gauge on Friday, May 19, cost 18.69 rands, high 20.00, low 17.38. In about a month Theta cost forecast on Monday, May 22, cost 18.08 rands, high 19.35, low 16.81. Theta gauge on Tuesday, May 23, cost 18.64 rands, high 19.94, low 17.34. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for April 2023. First and foremost cost at 18.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 23.06, while low cost 14.74. But found the middle value of cost 18.47. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.54, change for April 5.3%. Theta estimate for May 2023. To start with cost at 17.54 rands, exorbitant cost 20.14, while low cost 15.21. The found the middle value of cost 17.31. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.35, change for May 6.8%. Theta cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 16.35 rands, excessive cost 16.35, while low cost 13.65. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.26. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 14.68, change for June 10.2%. Theta conjecture for July 2023. Before all else cost at 14.68 rands, excessive cost 18.10, while low cost 14.68. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 16.10. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.92, change for July 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 16.92 rands. Excessive cost 21.00, while low cost 16.92. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 18.62. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 19.63, change for August 16.0%. Theta conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 19.63 rands. Excessive cost 19.63, while low cost 15.34. They found the middle value of cost 17.77. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 16.49, change for September 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place cost at 16.49 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.49, while low cost 12.88. They found the middle value of cost 14.93. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 13.85, change for October 16.0%. Theta gauge for November 2023. In the first place cost at 13.85 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.24, while low cost 13.85. They found the middle value of cost 14.78. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.18, change for November 9.6%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. In the first place cost at 15.18 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.99, while low cost 13.89. They found the middle value of cost 15.00. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.94, change for December 1.6%. Theta gauge for January 2024. In the first place cost at 14.94 rands. Excessive cost 14.94, while low cost 12.40. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 13.90. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 13.33, change for January 10.8%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. Initially cost at 13.33 rands. Excessive cost 16.26, while low cost 13.33. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.53. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 15.20, change for February 14.0%. Theta figure for WAC 2024. Initially cost at 15.20 rands. Excessive cost 15.20, while low cost 13.16. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 14.43. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 14.15, change for spring 6.9%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. Initially cost at 14.15 rands. Excessive cost 14.15, while low cost 11.06. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 12.81. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 11.89, change for April 16.0%. ZAR to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.0538 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.0531 minus 0.0544. The earlier days nearby 0.0533. Change for now plus 0.0005.